Hi, I'm Levi. We're going over client servers versus peer-to-peer servers. Um, Here with my friends Chris, Evan, another Chris, and Rocco. Uh, Peer-to-peer and client server networks connect computers so that resources like files and applications can be shared. Peer-to-peer networks connect computers so that each computer shares all parts of the resources. Client server networks have one or more central computers or servers that hold the data and manage resources. So Evan, can you go more into depth about peer-to-peer servers?
Peer-to-peer. Peer-to-peer networks involve two or more computers pooling individual resources such as disk drives, DVD players, and printers. These shared resources are available to every computer in the network. Each computer acts as both the client and the server, communicating directly with the other computers. On a peer-to-peer network, for example, a printer on one computer can be used by any other computer on the network. These networks are inexpensive to set up. All you need is a way to connect them, like an Ethernet cable or a Wi-Fi router.
What about client
Hey Rocco, what do you know about client servers?
A client server network involves multiple clients or workstations connecting to at least one central server. Most data and applications are installed on the server. When clients need access to these resources, they access them from the server. The clients are allowed to function as workstations without sharing any resources. It is easier to upgrade software applications and files because they are held on one single computer. System-wide services can be provided through the server software. Hey, Rodas, can you tell us about the disadvantages and limitations of peer-to-peer servers?
Why, sure I can. Peer-to-peer networks are typically less secure than a client-server network because security is handled by the individual computers, not the network as a whole. The resources of the computers in the network can become overburdened as they have to support not only the workstation user, but also the requests from network users. It is also difficult to provide system-wide services because a desktop operating system typically used in this type of network is incapable of hosting the service. Client-server networks have a higher initial setup cost. It is possible to set up a server on a desktop computer, but it is recommended that businesses invest in enterprise-class hardware and software. They also require a greater level of expertise to configure and manage the server, hardware, and software. Hey, Christopher Johnson, can you tell us about usage to finish it off?
Yeah, I think I can. Usage for peer-to-peer networks are usually found in homes or small businesses. These usually have very few security concerns. However, a client-server network should be used in an environment where growth is expected. Security is important, and faster access times are usually required for this. I think that's about it for the podcast. Thank you.
And hopefully you gain some knowledge.